here back for My Creative Year, and this week's prompt is knowledge. So I've noticed a lot of people lately have been on a bead kick, and so I'm showing you what I use to dry my beads. Now I quickly made these beads. See them? Oops. See them? Okay, so what I do is I take an egg carton, and normally I have wood skewers that are a lot taller, but this one is not as tall. So I stick toothpicks in, and as I'm creating my beads, it makes a great drying rack. An egg carton turned upside down. It can be, you know, a cardboard or a foam one. This one's made out of styrofoam or some kind of foam. And so I keep one. When you get your eggs, keep one and get some toothpicks or some wood skewers and poke them in, and they make great drying racks for your beads. So there's a little bit of knowledge and a tip for this week. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to go check out the Facebook group, My Creative Year. I'll post a link down at the bottom. And thanks again for watching. Toodles. Have a wonderful day. Bye.